Hey, welcome back to lesson 2 of Maek and Jon's BIGFALA Lesen blong Bislama. Today's lesson, greetings!
Yay! Thanks very much to our lovely producer Kelsi for the sign.
Yeah, thank you, Kelsi. Alright, so let's begin the lesson as we should begin every lesson. Kelsi. Thank you. Your turn. Alright, so maybe I should wait. Greetings.
Feel free to start.
The most basic greeting is very much like our English greeting. Hello. Kind of sounds a little German, actually.
Put it on your way, you're there.
Yep. But guess what? There are not double letters in Bislama unless it's non-I, which.
But that's because the A and G followed by another G. It's actually two separate sounds.
It's a diphthong type of thing, but
No, it's
that's
actually
triphthong and trithong, maybe. No,
Maybe.
I don't have any linguistic skills. Training, linguistics
Like
training.
your juice.
Oh, thank you, jeez. Alright, so hello is a greeting.
Hello.
So I can say hello.
Hello. Ta-da! We just greeted each other.
Okay, another one you could ask. Greetings. We will discuss these two words individually later, but wholesome, one of
Clearly, the grammar rules still apply, where the first letter of the first word should be capitalized,
forgive me.
followed by.
That's why we work as a team. Wholesome, one of, meaning how, and that's how you can address someone, basically saying in English, how are you doing?
Or how's it going, or what's up.
So, wholesome one of,
Okay. Literally, we have how, what. Or like what.
like
Like
what,
what, sorry.
meaning how.
Yeah. Okay, so, it's a one.
E good,
I could respond, E good, or E alright,
or E straight.
or alright, and then you tell them like, oh, good answer.
So, those answers were good.
E good.
I was going to put that in a second. Straight. And what was the last one? All right. But they all started with E, which is actually the letter I. Because if we didn't cover this, which I don't think we did in the last lesson, it's A, E, O, U. So E good, E straight, E alright.
$5.
Meaning essentially it's good, it's alright.
Actually, this one, it's straight. Maybe in Australia, isn't it?
We don't come.
We might have to send a Dear Jon to mom.
Easy. Alright, so other announcements you can make of your presence could include good afternoon. Oh, why did I erase good? I'm making extra work for myself. Afternoon. Or
Good morning.
good morning.
No. Literally, good morning.
Seriously? Good morning? I never had to spell this out. Okay, and
Clearly, I've had a little bit more experience with writing people than our technician over here.
and good night. Pretty straightforward, come from English.
Sure.
But let's go to my segment that will help you coming from the French side of things.
Ooh.
Would you hold my juice,
Would
please?
love to.
I'm gonna look up the. Should I explain what this book is? Oh,
Yeah.
pardon. Jon, you gotta fill in for a little while.
So you'll see that many of the greetings of time start with the word good. Mike?
Just like in English. Shoot, dude, I can't find greetings.
What we're trying to do right now is we are trying to help our French viewers. Because as we explained before, the two the two
There's
official
three.
languages of Vanuatu are French and English, and the national language is Bislama, which is the reason that you're tuning in with us today. So,
I recently studied a summer course in French, so I'm
tell me the other French story that you have about how you attended 8th grade French.
Oh, I'm also currently attending 8th grade French with my students, and I need to go back. I won't admit I failed yet. Dude, this used to be so easy to find. Technical difficulties. Kelsi, would you like to introduce yourself from behind the camera?
Hi friends. Wilson won him.
I don't think it's in here.
That was a test. How did you respond? Did you respond with either ooh, good, you straight, or you alright?
So,
I got this. Okay. Alright, so going with good afternoon, good morning, and good night. Suppose you're coming from the French side of things. Thank you, Tang. Thank you, NASA. That would go like.
I just had it open right to the page. What did you do? Don't move it. It was right there.
I didn't
say good afternoon, good morning. Good morning's right there.
Oh shoot, they don't have a G. Okay, so for you French followers, it doesn't have a G. It's good morning.
No, well, that's wrong. That's the French.
See what I mean? It changes everywhere. Good morning. Bon mate. No, wait, sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Bon
Matinee.
matinee. Alright. And we will now move on from French to Dear Jon.
So, being that it's our second lesson, you could imagine that we've been inundated with fan mail. This is the one that we've chosen.
Dear Jon.
Today's comes from Elise. Elise writes.
Thank you for watching.
Elise writes, Dear Jon, I recently was wandering around my village and noticed that at nighttime, when I would approach people, they would say, good night. I'm very confused by this because in my culture, when somebody says good night, it means goodbye.
A farewell,
Exactly.
perhaps.
But here, when I approach them and they say good night, could you please explain this phenomenon? Thank you very much. Yours truly, Elise. So Elise, thank you so much for your Dear Jon letter. It turns out that in Bislama, good night is a greeting. And that it is entirely appropriate in the nighttime hours, after the sun has gone down, to approach somebody and say, well, good night.
Good night, Osamana.
Hi, alright, come on.
Good.
Ale.
Alright, Kelsi, please tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, or 4.
3.
Because there's 1, 2, 3, or 4 columns in this dictionary by
Terry Crowely.
Terry Crowely. Okay, column 3. You have about 10 choices, so pick a number between 1 and 10.
8.
Okay, the number is 7, 8. The word is this clear?
Sort of.
Notebook. Meaning in English, notebook. Alright, we'll see you next lesson.
Thanks for watching.